Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pita bread at home without yeast and without oven. So let's get started. So first we will start with buttermilk. To make the buttermilk you will need 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes your buttermilk is ready. You can see the consistency or how the buttermilk looks. Now into a mixing bowl take 150 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Now add the buttermilk into it and mix well. You can take whole wheat flour or only plain flour for this dough. Don't forget to add salt before mixing the buttermilk as per your taste. After mixing, now add a bit of water and knead it into a fine dough. The dough should look like soft and fluffy like this. Now add a teaspoon of oil and rub the dough completely with the oil. Now cover it and let it rest for at least 1 hour. Dust some flour on the surface. Now take out the dough and start kneading it well. Pita bread is a Middle Eastern flatbread baked from wheat flour which tastes quite same as tandoori bread but comes with a little exotic touch. Traditionally, pita breads are baked at high temperature of 450 to 475 degree Fahrenheit, which turns the water in the dough into steam, thus causing the pita to puff up and form a pocket. But today I will show you how you can make perfect pita breads even without oven. After kneading the dough well, separate the dough into equal portions. After separating them into portions, cover them up for another half an hour. Now start rolling them with the help of a rolling pin. The bread should not be very thick or very thin after rolling. It should be almost a quarter an inch thick. Now heat up a skillet, add the bread, cook it from both the sides, allow the bread to rise to get pillowy, soft, tender and perfect pita breads with pockets. Now take the hot pita bread and brush some melted butter mixed with your favorite herb. I used parsley. You can see how well they have turned out. You can eat it as it is, or you can pair this exotic flatbread with desi style chicken or any meat preparation. Or you can simply choose the traditional way. Use it to scoop dips and sauces like hummus. You can even stuff any kind of veg, salad, soup or meat into its pocket and enjoy it. Hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye. See you next time.